What is up, guys? We are installing my side skirts. It's gonna look nice and aggressive. When you get them, it does come with self-tapping screws, self-tapping screws, whatever that, you know what I mean. Right here. Really small. This is what I had to do. A bunch of extensions to get it to work. Let's jack the car up and get started.
A few moments later.
Alright, so to test fit them, I'm going to just tape them on because I don't have anybody to help me. So. It's hard. Yeah, I can't do it. All right, it is day 2. Hold on, let me clean this. I did attempt to get somebody to help me with this because it would have been a little bit easier. See, the problem I'm having is aligning these things up to the car itself so that I can drill them. They move, right? So they need to be stable. So it's easier with 2 people. What I'm gonna try to do is get some jacks. So I have, you know, the one jack over there, and I'm gonna use the car that comes with this jack and the car that, So I'm gonna use the jack that comes with this car and the jack that comes with my car as well. So 3 jacks to hold it up, to align it, and then drill it like that. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do. So let's get to it. I didn't record much of the process on this side because I just wanted to get it done, kind of get a feel of it. And it looks pretty damn sick. I did 10. Yeah, 10. I'm probably gonna do probably 6 more in between just for safety because the kit does come with 32. It comes pre-drilled with 10 holes. But the kit, again, it comes with 32. So I'm gonna do 6 on each side, kind of like in between. I'll show you the other side a little bit more. Look at that wheel. Just appreciate the thickness. Oh yeah. Does that look sick or what? I measured it. It's about 3 inches outside. And we are finally done with the install. They look really good. It's really hard to see because it's in the garage. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna give it a quick wash, cinematics for you guys, and you're gonna see how it came out. again, guys. So I appreciate you very much for watching. They look really good. So you know, if you were looking to get these, definitely recommend them. They're really easy to install. I did it by myself, but I had 3 jacks. It's definitely easier to do it with 2 people, but if you're all you got, like myself, then 3 jacks should suffice. You just need them to hold it up so you can start drilling, because it's really hard to, as you saw at the beginning of the video, to hold it up with the leg and then the other arms. It's impossible. So 3 jacks for 2 people, and that should do it. Appreciate you very much for watching.